Hi everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that friend request is not showing on Snapchat. So just follow some steps to fix that issue. Simply go back to setting, just tap on setting, and just simply go to search bar and just search a Snapchat, just like that. And simply go to Snapchat and just scroll down and just go to a storage. Just tap on storage, and you have to make sure that you just clear the cache from here. Just tap on the cache and just clear the cache from here, and just simply after that just go back to your Snapchat. Just go back to profile and just simply go to app settings and just simply scroll down and just find a clear cache from here, just like that. Just have a clear cache from here and just clear the other cache from there. So after that settings, just simply go back to your Play Store and just install the Snapchat and again install it. Just simply do that settings to fix that issue. So make sure your problem gonna fix. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.